Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to sign out YouTube from other devices. If you want to go ahead and sign up from your YouTube account from other devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step, just how to basically do this. Please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so since YouTube is still under the Google account platform, what we need to do in order for us to log out from other devices on our YouTube channel is to as well log out of our Gmail account. So I want you to go in and launch the Gmail application, and let's tap on our profiles in the top right corner, right here. Now, let's choose the specific account, which has, of course, the YouTube channel, and we want to go ahead and log out from other devices. And in this case, that's gonna be this account right here. I'm gonna choose Manage Your Google Account. Now, from here, I want you to tap on the Security tab and scroll down until you see your devices. As you see right here, I'm gonna tap on Manage All Devices, and then you can actually go ahead now and choose the specific device that you want to go ahead and log out of. Now it's either one of these devices that could be still logged in on a specific location with your YouTube account. So just go ahead and choose whichever one that may be, and then go ahead and tap on Sign Out right here to successfully sign out of that device. Now, that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.